printing reliability and speed and being able to deal with advanced materials it's such a huge challenge in all kinds of 3D printing, particularly desktop. We started 5 years ago researching in detail the polymer physics problems behind 3D printing, and now after 5 in-depth years of research, we finally managed to democratize simulation and optimization for 3D printing by making it available to all Bambu Studio users around the world. What is Helio? We're an autopilot software for 3D printing. With Helio Additive software, we can reduce print times by between 20 and 45%. We can increase strength massively so that a part that you print will perform well in the real world, and we can reduce effects like cracking and warping and other kind of thermal-related defects. And we do all this by understanding the physics behind 3D printing. Right next to me, we have 2 really cool examples from the H2D. And one example, we can clearly show that there's significant deformation in the tip because there's too much heat in the entire process. By simulating and optimizing with Helio Additive software natively in Bambu Studio, we can then have a look at a finished part and we can see that this tip is really perfectly optimized and with no printing defects. We're aiming at everybody who intends to use advanced materials in their process. So even though our technology does work for PLA, the more advanced and high temperature materials you work with, like polycarbonate or TPU, the more value you're going to get. The opportunity to make really cool experiments and trials, that's what 3D printing is all about. And we challenge you to also try this really cool new technology that's now available for all Bambu Lab printers.